Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated process of changing your last name on LinkedIn. Whether you've recently married, divorced, or simply want to update your professional identity, it's a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to managing your profile and settings. After tapping on the Me icon, you'll see a menu pop up. From there, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. Next, we need to access your account preferences. Look for the option labeled Account Preferences and click on it. This section contains all the essential settings related to your profile and privacy. Now let's focus on updating your name. Under Profile Information, you'll find an option that says Name, Location, and Industry. Click on this to proceed. Here, you'll see your current name displayed along with other details about your professional identity. To change your last name, look for the Edit icon. This usually looks like a pencil or a small edit button. Click on it to enter the editing mode. You'll now see fields for both your first and last names. Under the Last Name field, simply delete your current last name and type in the new one you wish to use. Take a moment to double-check for any typos or errors. It's important that this reflects how you want to be known professionally. Once you've made the change, don't forget to save your updates. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen and click on it. Your new last name will now be updated across your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed your last name on LinkedIn. Remember, this change may take a little time to reflect across all areas of the platform, so be patient as it updates. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your professional presence online. See you next time.